Now, the last thing you want to happen in this heat wave is your AC breaking down. It's likely your unit hasn't stopped running all week if you have one. Now, thankfully, your unit is made for these temperatures. But if you want to make sure your AC stays in tip-top shape, here are some tips for you. Make sure to keep your blinds closed to keep heat out of the home, and don't use your washer or dryer during peak daylight hours. When it comes to direct maintenance, the easiest thing you can do is replace that filter.
A good rule of thumb is to just go down once a month, pull out that filter. If it's starting to get dirty, replace the filter. It allows the air to move through the system the way that it was designed to move through.
Also, make sure your outdoor AC unit has enough room around it. Trim back any plants that might be touching against it. But remember, your house likely won't get down to the 60s even when it's 90 outside, even when running 24/7.